right here is how I got $100 free when I got the Venmo credit card. Let's jump right in. Here is what was sent to me on my phone, and here I am on my email right here, you guys. I was like, spend 100, earn 100. I was like, this makes no sense, you know, because of all the scams and all that kind of stuff out there. But I was like, let's try this. So here is kind of what I did. If you want to do something like this, and again, you guys, I am not sponsored by them or, you know, all that. So I was like, a free 100, yes. And then I went and actually got these right here, which I am speaking into, which I need because I do a lot of stuff. If you want to buy something else with that, cool. But here's kind of what I did. I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna hop on this and see if I'm approved. I did all of this on my phone. Here's kind of what I had to do. I went on and I was like, okay, I'm me, here's how much I make, and here's what I was actually sent, right? They go, okay, cool, you have been approved, right? You will get your actual card in about 7 to 10 days. You guys, I didn't even open up the mail to actually use it, which is cool, and it's kind of scary as well, because I believe I was offered up to $1,000, which is cool, but it's kind of scary. Be like, oh, hey, spin this. Right here, I actually went on here and I was like, okay, I want this right here. So in total, this right here was $129.41. So like for me thinking that, I'm like, okay, cool. All I have to pay is $29.41. And I was like, okay, cool. Because hopefully it would have gave me the 100 back from the cash back on the card. But here's the thing, you have to wait a little bit over a month for this to kind of go into effect. And at the same time, with you having that option to spend more money on a card, I think that is where they will actually be like, oh, you actually spent more. So yes, we will still give you that money, but now you owe a lot more. So after I went onto here, you guys, I don't touch that card. I have the card, awesome, but I'm not going to touch it. So right here, it shows May 13th is when it was like, hey, I have that offer. And then on May 16th is when it was approved. So I went on that same day and I bought it on Amazon. And if we come into this one right here, June 15th. So almost a full month, which is crazy to get the cash back. So now here's kind of what it looks like on my phone if you want to do something of this sort. All right, so right here is what I see on my actual phone. So we have all of our cards, and I only have one card, and I'm not even gonna use this card. But if you guys look, it's saying I have an option of $899. I just paid this off today, so I shouldn't have a outstanding balance on that, which I'll get charged interest, you know, all that stuff there. But if you guys look right here, May 16th, I went and I got these, and then it came in on June 17th. Okay, cool. And then I just paid off the $28.12. If you do not have it paid off, you guys, you'll be paying a 31% on what you paid for, which is crazy. So I would say do this at your own risk. I would say do not get into debt, but I just wanted to see if this actually worked, and it does. So again, like, subscribe, and I will put these videos up on screen. It's going to help you a little bit more with your content creation. Have a good day.